In order for your lining to be comfortable and have some movement, we often work in a movement pleat. That's why your lining piece of the back is 1.5 centimeter wider than your main back piece. You can either cut it yourself using the main piece pattern or use our separate lining back piece. As for the lining back piece, you have the added 1.5 centimeters in the back and several lines marked movement pleat or center back. There are also markings for 2 seams that you'll have to sew. With the 2 pieces right sides on each other, first close the 3 seams on your movement pleat line and seam line, marked red here. Now unfold and iron everything along the center back. You can see that at the upper back there is now more room when you pull the pieces slightly. Now sew in the shoulder pleat in your lining piece by putting X on O. In order to reduce bulk, we usually change the direction of the pleat, so it is exactly opposite to the main fabric pleat. Sew a horizontal line to secure the pleat, then place the shoulder seams right sides together. Sew them together while omitting the seam allowance of the neckline facing end. Iron the seam allowance into the back piece. Also sew the sleeve into the armhole and close the side seam to have a full lining coat assembled. Thank you for your interest and check out the next video on how to make the collar.